ISO certification for fertilizer companies worldwide. Hello everyone and welcome to this informative session on ISO certification for fertilizer companies worldwide. The fertilizer industry plays a critical role in global agriculture, food security and sustainable farming practices. As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for high quality fertilizers, efficient production systems, environmental compliance, and international trade standards has increased significantly. Today, fertilizer manufacturers are not just only by production capacity or pricing, they are evaluated on multiple factors including product quality, environmental responsibility, occupational health and safety, process efficiency, regulatory compliance, customer satisfaction, sustainability practices, international credibility. This is where ISO certification becomes extremely important. In this video, we will discuss what ISO certification means for fertilizer companies, why ISO standards are essential globally, types of ISO certifications applicable to fertilizer industries, benefits of certification, certification process step by step, challenges in implementation, global market advantages, compliance and sustainability requirements, future trends in fertilizer manufacturing standards. This presentation is brought to you by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, a trusted name in international certification, auditing, inspection and compliance services. For certification inquiries, you may contact us to our email ID info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Now, understanding the fertilizer industry. Let us see this. See, the fertilizer industry is one of the most important sectors supporting modern agriculture. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, micronutrients. These nutrients improve soil fertility, crop productivity, agricultural efficiency, food production capacity. The industry includes organic fertilizer manufacturers, chemical fertilizer producers, biofertilizer companies, NPK manufacturers, agrochemical companies, exporters and distributors. Because fertilizers directly impact agriculture and environmental ecosystems, governments and international buyers require strict compliance with quality and environmental standards. Global fertilizer companies must demonstrate consistent product quality, safe manufacturing processes, environmental protection measures, worker safety systems, efficient operational controls. ISO certification helps organizations establish these systems in a structured and internationally accepted manner. Now, what is ISO certification? ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization. It is an independent international body that develops globally accepted standards for industries and organizations. ISO standards help companies improve quality, safety, efficiency, sustainability, risk management, customer satisfaction. ISO certification means that a company's management systems comply with internationally recognized standards. For fertilizer companies, ISO certification demonstrates commitment toward quality manufacturing, environmental sustainability, safe workplace practices, regulatory compliance, controls improvement. Certification is conducted through independent certification bodies such as URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. The certification process includes documentation review, system evaluation, process audits, employee interviews, site inspections, compliance verifications. Once certified, the company receives internationally recognized certification validating its management system. Now, important ISO standards for fertilizer companies. First is ISO 9001 Quality Management System. ISO 9001 is the world's most widely implemented quality management standard. It focuses on product consistency, process control, customer satisfaction, continuous improvement. For fertilizer companies, ISO 9001 helps ensure standardized production processes, accurate nutrient composition, reduced manufacturing errors, improved supplier management, better customer confidence. This certification is highly valuable for domestic and international business operations. The next standard is ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Environmental sustainability is a major concern in fertilizer manufacturing. Production activities can impact air quality, water resources, soil health, waste generation, energy consumption. So ISO 14001 helps organizations manage environmental responsibilities effectively. Benefits include pollution control, waste reduction, environmental compliance, sustainable operations, improved resource efficiency. Many international buyers now prefer suppliers certified under ISO 14001. The next standard is ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Fertilizer manufacturing involves chemical handling, machinery operations, storage systems, and industrial risks. ISO 45001 focuses on workplace safety, hazard identification, risk prevention, employee protection, emergency preparedness. This standard helps reduce workplace accidents, injuries, operational disruptions, legal liabilities. A safe workforce contributes to higher productivity and organizational stability. The next standard is ISO 50001 Energy Management System. Energy consumption is a major operational cost in fertilizer production. ISO 50001 helps organizations improve energy efficiency, reduce energy waste, optimize resource utilization, lower operational cost. This certification supports sustainability and cost reduction simultaneously. Then, Integrated Management System (IMS). Many fertilizer companies combine multiple standards together, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001. The integrated approach improves overall management efficiency and simplifies compliance processes. Now, benefits of ISO certification for fertilizer companies. ISO certification provides both operational and commercial advantages. First, international market access. Many international clients and importers prefer certified suppliers. ISO certification increases export opportunities and strengthens global competitiveness. Then second, improved product quality. Certifications ensures consistent manufacturing practices and quality control system. Ultimately reduces product rejection, complaints, and operational inefficiencies. Then enhanced brand reputation. Certified organizations gain stronger market credibility. Customers, investors, distributors, and regulators trust certified companies more confidently. Then regulatory compliance. ISO system help organizations comply with government regulations, environmental laws, industry safety standards, international trade requirements. Better risk management. ISO standard promote systematic risk identification and preventive action planning. This reduces operational failures and business interruptions. Operational efficiency. Documented procedures and process controls improve productivity and reduce waste. Organizations become more structured and performance oriented. Then sustainability and environmental responsibility. Global markets increasingly focus on sustainable manufacturing. ISO 14001 and ISO 50001 help fertilizer companies demonstrate environmental responsibility. ISO certification process. Now let us understand the certification process step by step. Step 1 is initial consultation. The organization discusses certification requirements with the certification body like us. Business activities, operational scope, and applicable standards are identified here. Then step 2 is gap analysis. Our experts evaluate the current management system and identify gaps against ISO requirements. Necessary improvements are recommended. Then step 3 is for documentation development. The organization prepares policies, procedures, manuals, process controls, risk assessments, operational records. Documentation forms the foundation of ISO compliance. Then step 4 is implementation. The developed system is implemented across departments. Employees receive awareness and operational training. Step 5 is internal audit. Internal audits verify whether processes comply with ISO requirements. Corrective actions are implemented where necessary. Then last step is step 6 is certification audit. The certification body conducts a formal audit. Auditor assess documentation, operations, compliance, employee awareness, process effectiveness. If requirements are fulfilled, certification is granted. Then step 7 is surveillance audits. Periodic audits ensure continued compliance and continuous improvement. ISO certification is not a one-time achievement. It requires ongoing commitment. Section C is global challenges and future trends. The fertilizer industry is evolving rapidly. Key global challenges include environmental regulations, carbon emission reduction, sustainable agriculture demands, rising energy costs, supply chain disruptions, compliance requirements. Future trends include green fertilizer production, energy efficient manufacturing, digital quality management systems, sustainable supply chains, smart manufacturing technologies, carbon footprint reduction initiatives. ISO standards help organizations adapt to these changing global expectations. Companies that prioritize quality, sustainability, and safety will remain competitive in future international markets. At last, in conclusion, ISO certification has become an essential strategic tool for fertilizer companies worldwide. It is not only about obtaining a certificate, it is about building international credibility, operational excellence, sustainable business practices, customer confidence, long-term growth. For fertilizer manufacturers, ISO certification improves quality management, environmental performance, workplace safety, energy efficiency, market competitiveness. Organizations adopting ISO standards position themselves as reliable, responsible, and globally recognized industry leaders. If your organization is looking to achieve internationally recognized ISO certification, connect with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 735945 8455. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more professional insights on ISO certification, quality management systems, industrial compliance, and international standards. Have a great day and stay committed to quality and excellence. Thank you.